Hello, I'm Amaryllis. I will show you how to make unique Christmas ornaments out of toilet paper rolls. You will need a few simple supplies to make this craft, like toilet paper rolls, paint, scissors, and twine rope. Start by painting the outside of the roll. Once the outside paint is dry, choose another color to paint the inside of the roll. Once the paint is completely dry, you can flatten the tube. And now you will have to draw some shapes on the roll. You have to draw 4 arches on the roll. Try to make them the same dimensions and the same shape. Center, you have to draw like a long eye shape. And on the side, 2 curves. I use a Sharpie so you can see the shapes very well. When you do it for yourself, better use a pencil so the black line won't show on your ornament. Cut out the shapes following the lines. Use a cutter to take off the central shape. This is the shape you must have at this point. Open the 4 corners. Press the center of the roll and turn it a little. Now you have to apply a dot of glue on the shape and fold each end and glue it to the center. So you have to glue all 4 ends on the center. And you can see that the ornament is taking its final shape. Just turn the ornament and repeat the same process on the other side. Glue the 4 ends on the center of the ornament. This is what you must have at this point. To hang your ornament, cut a piece of twine rope and pass it through one of the loop of the ornament and make a knot. You can add a bead, or if you like, you can also use a ribbon. To give the ornament a nice finish, you can glue some decoration in the center. I choose to glue half wooden beads, but you can also add some sequin, a button, or some adhesive gems as you like. I hope you enjoyed this easy Christmas craft idea. Please like and follow for more easy DIY and craft ideas.